Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So viewers, in this video I'm gonna show different paper art decoration ideas and I hope you like it. You can see it is very amazing and stylish paper art decoration ideas. You can see you can make easily at home for paper art decoration ideas. You can make for rocks art, stone art. You can make different painting for stones, and you can make easily at home for your kids. So please viewers, like my video, share my video and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon and share your friends and family members, and you can see more video, then press the bell icon and do not forget my YouTube channel. So Allah Hafiz, take care, bye, see you soon.